Today we will start the topic square root of decimal. So first of all we will take the square root of our value 9.7344. So we need to understand the concept of decimal and the whole values. Decimal separate the decimal places and the whole value. Now draw the heart. 9.7344. Pairs of decimals are separate and pairs of whole values are separate. So pairing from right to left. This pairing is separate and this pairing, whole values pairing is separate. So 9 is the single one. So nearest is 3 times 3 is 9 minus 9 minus 9 0. Now the turn of decimal. Decimal will go in the quotient. Just go in the quotient and write your next pair. Next pair means next value. For finding new divisor, add your quotient and divisor. 3 plus 3, 6. Now same 6, 1 time 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, check with 3, 3. 2 times 2 is 4, 2, 6 times 12. This is a bigger one. So 1 time 1 is 1, 1, 6 times 6. This pair is correct. So 161, 1 time 61. Now minus and the answer will be 2, 1. Write down the next pair mean next value. 61 plus 6, 62. So we will get the new divisor. Now again check with the new pairs. Let's check with the 3, 3. 3 times 3, 9, 3, 2 times 6, 3, 6 times 18, very big. So check with the 2, 2. 2 times 2, 4, 2 times 2, 4, 2, 6 times 12. Yes, this pair is same. So 622 2 times 1, 2, 4, 4. So subtract this minus and 0. So square root of 9.7344 and the answer will be 312. Draw the ending line. It means square root give this smaller answer, and if I will take the square of this, square mean multiply 2 times, then I will get the same answer. So this proved that your answer is right. Now I am solving the next question. And the next question will be 0.002025. Now we have first of all we need to draw the square root 0.002025. These are the decimal places and this is the whole value. Draw the heart. 0.002025. 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair, and whole value pair is only 1. So 0 times 0 is 0. This is the nearest one and the smallest one. So 0. Now the turn of decimal. Decimal will go in the quotient. Write down next pair. 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. Again 0 times 0 is 0. Because there is no possibility of 0 1 time 1. This is the. So 0 times 0 is 0 is the right possibility. Now write down the next pair. 20. Again 0 plus 0, 0. Now 20, which is the smallest and the nearest one? 4 times 4 is 16. Borrow from this 0 and 10 minus 6, 4. Write down the next pair, 25. Now 4 plus 4. Same step. Always add the previous divisor and the quotient for getting the next divisor. 4 plus 4, 8. 8, 1, 1, 8, 2, 2. I will take 5, 5. 5 times 5 is 25. 2 on the carry. 5, 8 and 40 and 42. So this one is the right one. So 5 times 5 is 425 minus. I am using 0, right answer above this. I am using this, right answer above this. So 0.002025 and the answer will be 0.045. So this is the square root of decimals. Now I am solving the next question of more values. First of all, take the square root of your value 508.5025. Now draw the heart. 508, decimal 5025. Decimal pairings are separate and whole pairings are separate. 1 pair, 2 pair, then we have decimal 1 pair and 5 is single. So 2 times 2 is the nearest one. 2 times 2 is 4. 1. Write down the next pair. Next pair means next value. Add the quotient and the divisor. It will be 4. Now check with 2 2. 2 4 times 8. Then check with 3 3. 3 3 will be the bigger one. So which one is the smallest one? 2 2. So 42 2 times 2 times 2 4 and 2 4 times 8 minus 4. Borrow from this. 10 minus 2 8. Now the turn of decimal just in the quotient. Decimal in the quotient and write down the next pair. 2450. What about the next divisor? Add your previous divisor and the quotient. 42 plus 2, 44. Next check with, let's take with 4 4. 4 times 4 is 16, 1 on the carry. 4 times 4 is 16, 17, 1 on the carry. 4 times 4 is 16 and 17. Let's check with 5 5. 5 times 5 is 25, 2 on the carry. 5 4 times 20, 21, 22, 2 on the carry. 5 4 times 20, 21, 22. So the smallest and the nearest one is 2225. Let's check with 6 6. 6 times 6 is 36, 3 on the carry. 6 4 times 24, 25, 26, 27. 2 on the carry. 6 4 times 24, 25, 20. This is the bigger one. So it's mean which pair is 5 times 5 is 22225. 2225 minus, borrow from this, 5. 4 minus 2 2, then 2 and 0. Write down the last pair. That will be 25. Now add the previous quotient and the divisor. 445. 445 plus 5. 5 plus 5 10. 5 and 4. 450. Now check with 450 0. 5 times 5. 5 times 5 is 25, 2 on the carry. 5 0 times 0 2. 5 times 5 is 25, 2 on the carry. Yes, it's done with 5. So 5 times 5 is 22525 minus cross, because all 5 minus 5 0, 2 minus 2 0. So the square root of 508.5025 answer will be 22.55. Draw the ending line. Thank you.